Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to mute community notifications on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Facebook. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the Messenger icon. This will open a drop-down menu displaying your recent chats and communities. Next, locate the Communities section within Messenger. Scroll through the list to find the specific community whose notifications you'd like to mute. Once you've found it, hover over the community name and look for 3 small dots next to it. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a menu of options. From this menu, select Mute Conversation. A new window will appear asking you to choose how long you want to mute notifications for this community. You'll have options such as muting for an hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until you manually turn notifications back on. Choose the duration that works best for you. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking on the appropriate button, and that's it. You've successfully muted notifications for that community. No more interruptions from this group, just peace and quiet whenever you need it. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Stay tuned for more easy-to-follow tips and tricks to make your online experience smoother. Thank you for watching.